The magnitude of an earthquake is one of four main factors that affect seismic intensity, which is the shaking you feel during an earthquake. The others include distance from the epicenter, depth to the hypocenter or the rupture, and the local rock and soil conditions.
Let's examine how intensity of ground shaking is controlled by earthquake magnitude. Remember, the magnitude or size of an earthquake is related to the total amount of energy released by the earthquake's source. So a given earthquake has only one magnitude, but will produce different intensities of ground shaking at different locations. In terms of the light bulb analogy, we know that a 100-watt light bulb produces more light everywhere than a 25-watt light bulb. Similarly, increasing earthquake magnitude also means greater intensity of shaking everywhere. To see this principle at work, let's examine two earthquakes that occurred at the same depth beneath Ridgecrest, California, but had different magnitudes. On July 4, 2019, a magnitude 6.4 earthquake generated severe shaking near the epicenter and strong shaking up to 40 kilometers away from the epicenter. The next day, a magnitude 7.1 earthquake released 11 times as much energy in the same location. Severe shaking occurred up to 40 kilometers from the epicenter, and strong ground shaking extended to 80 kilometers away. The larger magnitude earthquake lit up the surrounding area with stronger ground shaking, just like a larger wattage light bulb casts brighter light everywhere in a room. In closing, if you feel the bump of an earthquake, it's important to note that the first waves may not be the strongest. Take immediate actions to drop, cover, and hold on before strong shaking arrives, which can save lives and reduce the risk of injury.